Hello everyone. Today I built an interactive logistic dashboard on Power BI using SuperSource sales dataset. In this dashboard you can see order date, which is a slicer. For this I used slicer to filter based on order date, and I used three cards to display orders, quantity and customers, and a decomposition tree to display the category split, order split by category as well as subcategory, and a matrix to order based on ship mode and month. And I used a filled map for state. You can here too I used a slicer. If you can see the central, east, south, east. And I created a tooltip too. Here you can see the state name, sales, and sales by product. Now let us filter based on the decomposition tree. If it is technology, what about missions? Here you can see the first class 3 orders on month of January. Orders are 112, quantity 440, and customers 99. And this is how my dashboard works. That's all about this dashboard. Thank you.